You need to pull some unemployment data. Maybe you're working on a grant application or the justification for a new program, but you need unemployment data and you want it quickly. Well, let's go. I'm Rebecca Dudensing, an Associate Professor for Community and Economic Development with the Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service. When I'm looking for unemployment data, I usually just go to my web browser and type in county-level unemployment rates. You can see that a couple of sources that I use frequently pull up immediately the local area unemployment statistics homepage from BLS, or the Bureau of Labor Statistics, as well as the unemployment rates by county. And let's go there first. It's a really simple site. It pulls up a nice map of the entire state. Go ahead and change that to Texas. And one thing to note is that the data is usually delayed by about 2 months. So if we were to say that we wanted Texas data for December of 2016, which is the month I'm recording this video, it'll tell us that that data is not available. We can hit back on our browser and select an available month and draw that map. Once we have the map, we can hit print screen. If we want to go ahead and take a screen capture of that, which we can then cut down and drop the nice map into our document, or we can just scroll down below and see the unemployment rates for the various counties in Texas. Brazos County, where Texas A&M is located, had a 3.2% unemployment rate in October of 2016. We can easily change months or years going back to 1990. So if we only want to compare a couple of points in one county, or even just going to a different county and comparing a couple of places over time, or even across state lines, this is an easy way to do it. If we need a little bit more information, we have the option of going to the home page. From here, under LIU Tables and Maps, we can find statewide data, metropolitan data, or county level data. The map here is a US level map. And if we go to the text file or the zip file, we'll see that we have all of the counties within the United States. So this is going back to September of 2015 in this file, and then we go up to October of 2016. This is great if you need a lot of information or if you want to go back in time with a lot of information, because as we scroll down through this tables page, we see that we do have county level data here going all the way back to 1990. So especially with the zip files where you can download into Excel, this is a great choice. Now, if you need city level unemployment data, that doesn't come out as frequently as it does for the counties. And so normally for that, I would use American Fact Finder. I would type in the name of my community. For example, let's use Curtin, which is a small town in Brazos County, Texas. And then under income, I would select economic characteristics. And I'd look at this unemployment figure. However, it's important to note that in American Fact Finder, this 2.4% is not the unemployment rate. That is 6 divided by 254, which is a population ages 16 and older. What we want is 6 divided by 167, which is the labor force. We want to know how many people in the labor force. So the number of people unemployed divided by the number of people in the labor force. And in this case, that's probably closer to about 3.9%. Good luck with your data.